Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today is an exciting day as we delve into the world of innovation with the introduction of GoLogica Technologies. If you're passionate about cutting-edge technologies and transformative solutions, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we uncover the essence of GoLogica and what makes them your ideal innovation partner. Introduction. Let's kick things off by getting to know GoLogica Technologies. Established with a vision to redefine the technological landscape, GoLogica is a dynamic IT solutions company that has been making waves in the industry. We specialize in providing end-to-end solutions to businesses, ranging from training and consulting to software development and beyond. Core values and mission. At the heart of GoLogica's success are its core values. With a commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction, GoLogica is on a mission to empower businesses with transformative technologies. We believe in forging lasting partnerships by delivering solutions that not only meet but exceed client expectations. Comprehensive service offerings. GoLogica Technologies stands out for its diverse range of services. Whether you're looking to upskill your team with cutting-edge training programs or seeking customized software solutions, GoLogica has got you covered. Their service offerings include training and certification programs. Level up your team's skills with industry-relevant training programs. 1. Individual training. 2. Corporate training. 3. Master Program Course for Beginners. 4. Self-paced training. Consulting services. Benefit from expert insights and guidance for strategic decision-making. Software development. Tailor-made software solutions designed to address your specific business needs. GoLogica offers a master and postgraduate programs. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, it is essential for individuals to stay updated with the latest industry trends and acquire relevant skills to excel in their careers. GoLogica, a leading online learning platform, understands this need and offers a wide range of postgraduate and master programs are designed specifically for freshers and career upgraders in various high-demand industries. These programs provide an opportunity for individuals to upskill and transform their careers in the fields of cybersecurity, business analyst, full-stack web development, cloud architecture, DevOps engineering, automation testing, digital marketing, data science, and artificial intelligence and many more. Technological expertise. What sets GoLogica apart is their unparalleled technological expertise. From the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning to cloud computing and beyond, GoLogica's team of seasoned professionals is at the forefront of technological innovation. Success stories and client testimonials. Let's hear from the ones who matter the most, the clients. We'll be sharing some success stories and testimonials from businesses that have experienced the transformative power of GoLogica's solutions. Real results, real impact. We successfully completed the ForgeRock corporate training with HCL and many other top companies. And we provide well-structured and planned curriculum, and we are expert in on-time delivery along with lifetime LMS portal provided easy access to presentation and class recording, enhancing the overall learning journey. We are proud to say that we handle a corporate training with Tech Mahindra and we are supporting to their project with constantly as well good relation all top companies with serving better service compare with market. We offered resource and training support to Societe Generale, ENNV Solutions and Rexnord India Pvt Ltd on Oracle, cloud and security related corporate support. We are proud to say that we got appreciation for our service and this helped GoLogica future outlook and innovations. As we wrap up, we'll explore GoLogica's vision for the future and the exciting innovations on the horizon. From staying abreast of emerging technologies to pioneering new solutions, GoLogica is poised to be a key player in shaping the future of IT. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery into the world of GoLogica Technologies Pvt Ltd. If you're ready to take your business to new heights through innovation, training, and expert guidance, GoLogica is the partner you've been searching for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the power of technology with GoLogica.